Have you got that fantastic website? Are you proud of what have you done? Do you think it might perform better? Are you sure you used all tricks? All hacks, keywords, SEO? Would you like to check it? I check it every week. How can I know what is missing if I do not see that? You would love to know. The weakness and strength of your lovely website. Take the knowledge to the next level. Find out what is on it. How the others can see you. How the Google can see you. What social media can work for you. The title, description, all matter. We provide a completely free, in-depth website audit on your website. Take the action, click here to receive your free audit.